Guys, I'm super excited because I get to talk about something we've been passionately working on secretly behind the scenes for over a year now, and that's our industrial 3D printing services that we have here at Vision Minor. If you're looking to have a part done out of a performance, functional material such as PEI, PPSU, or ULTEM, something of that, please reach out to us because we can get you in touch with our engineers who will work with you one-on-one and build a relationship to really find out what is your use case, what do you need it for. We can make it where it's perfect for 3D printing and get it out to you quicker than anyone else can. We have been working with some of the top leading companies in the industry through the past year, and now we are happy to announce that we're going to open this up to anyone else that needs this help. So please reach out to us, let us know what the uses are, we'll work with you, we'll build a relationship and see how we can best help. Until then, guys, have a positive day. Let's take this to the top, and I'll see you there.